usually in medical clinical labs, if you have got an infection or burn wounds, they will test in your blood or get a culture of your wound to check if there is bacterial growth. How do they find out what kind of bacteria it is? That we are going to check now. So first see, these are called oxidase discs. Oxidase discs. If you see inside, there will be small kinds of disc like this. These are small pieces of disc containing a chemical that breaks contains a chemical that breaks the bacteria's structure into two. Some bacteria have two kinds of structure, not two kinds of structure. The color forming structure. This is they are called electron cytochromes. If those are broken down into two, the bacteria will release a kind of purple color in this disc. If that purple color comes, that means that the bacteria is infectious to your skin. If the cause of that bacteria, if it is infectious, means if it gets into your wound and is left unseen and it grows into big, the whole part has to be cut down. That is the power of this bacteria. If it is not, if for example, if you are fell down, you will get TT. If you are not getting TT and the infection grows into small parts, it gets into your blood. Automatically the full circulation will get affected in this part. Then there will be no other option of curing it. They will cut down the part from where it is being infected. That means if it has bit here, they will cut down your arm from here, or if it's leg from the knee, they will cut it down. So that risk we should not take. So how do we find out? Let's see. This is called a bacterial culture. Everybody can see different kinds of bacteria. This is a bacterial culture, and this red is a kind of food for the bacteria to live in the labs. So this, we are going to use a toothpick. So we are going to use a toothpick to take down a small bacterial area, this one. I am touching it. I have took this and I am going to keep it on this disc.
Just keep the culture meter down here.
Yes. Now can everybody see here a purple color? Just try to see here. So see here, you can see a purple color forming in this disc. This purple color means that it releases a kind of chemical called the cytochrome. If this gets into your body only, it causes infection. So now they will confirm this bacteria as Pseudomonas. That is the name of this infectious bacteria. Next, there is a process of finding what is pus forming bacteria. You can see if there is kind of hurt in your body, there will be pusses forming from there, a white kind of liquid releasing from your body. So if that is left unnoticed and if that bacteria goes into your blood and you don't mind it, there will be a problem that bacteria will take your life. If it is unnoticed, the same bacteria will kill you. So how they find is that this is a chemical called the hydrogen peroxide. So this chemical they put on any kind of wounds, the bacteria will immediately die. But this bacteria has a special kind of defense mechanism that this will break this chemical into two parts, that is hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is not a harmful material for the bacteria. Same way hydrogen is not. Instead it is a food. So if it breaks the hydrogen and oxygen into two different parts, gases will release. If the gases releases, it means that there is the presence of not Pseudomonas.
Pus forming culture. E. coli.
I'll remember the word.
Food poisoning.
And pus forming infection. So I am pouring a few drops of hydrogen peroxide in this. Again I am getting a toothpick. Going to touch a small area in this white area in this, and I am going to put it inside this. Now can everybody see bubbles forming? This bubble forming. If this bubble start forming in high contamination, that means the bacterial growth is very high. If it is low, means that, see, it is keep on increasing now. The bubbles are keep on increasing. It will, in few minutes the clouds will start coming out. So that means the growth is high. So this bacteria is only the pus forming bacteria. If this gets into the blood, if you don't notice it, soon the bacteria will kill your body, every cells in your body, and you will die soon. So this is how they find it out in the lab. So if you are not careful with these bacteria, they are going to kill you. And few more informations about, if I see, are you seeing these white things? So how many bacteria are inside this? Staphylococcus. This is not the staphylococci. These are the pus forming bacteria, the name for this. So how many bacteria are there in this? 1,000 millions.